Look what came in the mail. It's the Trapo car mats from my Volkswagen Tiguan. Let's check it out. First impression, these car mats are really of good quality. And the model I got is the Hex 2 from TikTok Live. They are known to be super durable, anti-slip, lightweight and easy to clean. Let's check out how fitting it is. Time to replace my old coil mats. They look pretty nasty. Let's fit the Trapo right in. It fits super perfectly. It also grips a lot better than the coil ones, tend to slip on those. Switching out the back parts as well. Again, it does fit right perfectly, measured to perfection. I can still see some dirt hidden in the coil ones. It looks neater than the coil ones too. Now fixing the middle part, which can then become a little tricky. You can bend the middle plate so that it follows the sizing of the car. Time to say goodbyes to these ones. They served us well. You guys should really check out these Trapo car mats. Thanks for watching.